Tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
First, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Suti Salsabila Algani, and I have the honor of serving as moderator for today's seminar on habits that can damage the kidneys. Okay, it is a pleasure to welcome all of you, our esteemed speaker, participant, and guests. Before we begin, I would like to thank you for taking the time to join us in this important discussion. Without further ado, let us welcome our speaker, Yelsin Safitri. The time is yours. Okay, thanks to moderator. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yelsin Safitri. With student name 24031144. Today I will present material on the topic of kidney damage habits. Okay guys, the kidneys are organs that work every day without stopping to filter blood, remove toxin, and maintain the body's fluid balance. Kidney function can decrease or become damaged if we do the following habits. Number one, not drinking enough water. The kidneys work as a fluid filter that must remain wet in order to filter out water impurities. If the kidneys are dry, impurities will accumulate and cause damage to the kidney system. If we don't drink enough, the kidneys will have difficulty removing waste, which can cause kidney stones. So we must drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day, equivalent to 3 to 5 bottles of mineral water or 10 to 15 glasses of water. Number two, exercise or salt consumption. Excessive salt consumption makes the kidneys work extra hard to remove sodium, but if there is too much, the kidneys will be overwhelmed and cause kidney damage. As a result, sodium accumulates in the blood and draws more fluid, causing blood pressure to rise, which can damage blood vessel in the kidneys. To prevent this, let's reduce salty snacks, instant food, and fast food. Number three, frequent consumption of soda and alcohol. The colored soda drinks generally contain high phosphate. If excessive can disrupt the mineral balance and accelerate kidney damage. The risk of obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Alcohol can also cause dehydration and worsen high blood pressure, which damage the kidneys and liver. Number four, excessive consumption of pain medication. Some medication, especially non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, such as ibuprofen, can damage the kidneys if used long-term or without medical supervision. Certain medications, such as antibiotics and other medication taken in inappropriate dose, can also cause kidney damage. Number five, cigarettes and ultra protein. But cigarettes and ultra protein can have a negative effect on kidney health, although the mechanism involved are different. Cigarettes increase the risk of kidney worsening blood pressure, blood vessel damage, and decreases blood flow to the kidneys. On the other hand, high consumption of ultra protein can potential burden the kidneys, especially for those who are already have kidney problems or have a history of kidney disease. Number 6, and last, sweet drinks. Sweet drinks are indeed one of the habits that are often not realized can have a bad impact of kidney health. Increases risk of diabetes, overweight, and obesity, blood sugar fluctuation, and others. Okay, the conclusion: to maintain kidney health, it is important to adopt a healthy lifestyle such as drinking enough water, consuming nutrition food in the proportion, avoid smoking and alcohol habits, and monitoring health conditions such as blood pressure and blood sugar levels. If there are health problems related to the kidneys, consult a doctor immediately for proper treatment. Okay, guys. Let's take care of our kidney health. Okay, this all for me. I give back to Madara. Okay, thank you for our speaker. Let's move on to the question and answer session. For those who want to ask question, please raise your hand. Okay, Rani. Okay. I want to ask question about Elsie. How can smoking damage the kidney? Okay, thanks Rani for the question. I will turn to our speaker. Okay, thanks Rani. I'll try to answer the Rani question. This question: how can smoking damage the kidneys? Smoking can have a direct and indirect negative impact on kidney health. Number one, reduce blood flow to the kidneys. Smoking can contract blood vessel and reduce blood flow throughout the body, including to the kidneys. The kidneys rely on steady body to filter waste from the body. So, reduced blood flow can impair their function over time. Smoking is a low risk factor from high blood pressure, which is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. Chronic high blood pressure can damage the blood vessel in the kidneys, reduce their ability to filter waste and fluid effectively. This condition can in chronic kidney disease can progress and eventually lead to kidney failure. And so for me, I give it to moderator. Okay, Rani, can you understand for the answer? Okay, thank you, Yasuli. I can understand. Okay, the next question. Okay, Aura. Okay, I will ask to Yasuli. The question is, what should be considered when consuming high protein or ultra protein supplements? Thank you. Okay, thank you, Aura, for the question, and I will return to our speaker. Okay, thanks, Aura. I try answer the Aura question. How ultra protein affect the kidneys? When protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, causes when the body breaks down protein. A high protein diet result in increases production of urea, causing the kidneys to work harder to eliminate the waste from healthy kidneys. This is usually not a problem. However, long-term overcome consumption of protein can eventually lead to kidney damage or dysfunction, particularly in people with a pre-existing kidney condition. Okay, that's all from me. I get to there. Okay. Laura, can you understand about the answer? Okay, thank you for your answer, Yosi. I can understand. Okay, and the last, who want to ask question? Okay, Yola.
Thanks to moderator. I ask to Yossi. What is ultra protein and how does it affect the kidneys? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Yola. And I will return to our speaker.
Okay, thanks, Yolan. I can answer the Yolan question. How to protect the kidneys while on a high protein diet? Monitoring kidney function, regular check-ups with a healthcare provider to monitor kidney function, especially if you are on a high protein diet or high risk factor for kidney disease. It ensuring you're drinking enough water to help your kidneys flush out the excess nitrogen and other waste product from protein metabolism. Balance your diet. Aim for a balanced diet that includes a mix of macronutrients, protein, carbs, fats, and micronutrients, vitamin, and mineral to avoid putting too much strain on any one organ system. Consider getting protein from plant-based sources rather relying heavily on animal protein, which then to increase acid on the and promote kidney stone formation. Okay, that's all from me. I bring to there.
Okay, Yola, can you understand for the answer?
Yes, I understand and thank you.
Okay, thank you to those who have asked the speaker. I will come to answer. That's all the speaker material for today. Thank you for your attention and sorry for